I'm from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. Pastor Reed's Chariots of Fire car show. That's a little 442 firing up. That's got a 502 under the hood. I wanted to show you this. This is neat with Ford. Oh, this is perfect for the grouping here. Ford car right here. Love a little 283 fastback. It's about 66. It's swing back. This is an 06 GT. Of course, legendary. And the legend lives on. But you know me with groupings. What goes well with Ford power? Exotic Ford power. Check out the Pantera. I gotta see what's under the back of the rear seats. Usually a 351. This one's a wide body. It's a later. Pretty cool. These cars were a performance bargain. What year is this? This is an 86. What's interesting is that these were selling for $11,000, which was a bargain, absolute bargain. Oh, I like that. Now there's a tub which goes over here for a trunk. This, of course, is removed so you could see it. Cool. Little double pumper over there. 351?
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. How long have you owned her?
20 years.
That is cool. What inspired you to get a Pantera?
Just like the shape of them.
Gorgeous, aren't they?
Very.
I like the later model with the flared fenders. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's
GT5-S.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know. Once they finally perfected the car, they discontinue it, which makes no sense whatsoever.
Yeah.
I thought I read somewhere they're designing a new one. Brand new Pantera.
Yeah, they were designing a new one, but never went through.
Never went through.
Oh, everyone always designs another supercar, but trying to get it to market now is always a pain. This is really cool. What's your favorite feature about the Pantera?
Just the way it handles.
Very good. Now, have you driven the GT?
That's this car.
I'd like to see you compare the two on the handling.
There's no handling. There's no comparison.
Yeah.
This is like a dream. I mean,
Yeah.
mine. I have two of them.
Uh-huh.
And one's for sale if you want to buy it. But they handle nice. But they're still a little,
Squirrely.
It turns a little hard. For this, is you kidding me?
Power steering.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's not only that, but like the suspension and everything, the difference of 20 years is day and night. It really is. You know, so it's remarkable, absolutely remarkable. Also, the braking. I heard that the braking on the De Tomaso was always a problem.
Well, I put Wellwoods on.
Good,
Yeah.
good. Yeah, they didn't have the right proportioning valve and stuff like that. There's some really strange things going through. So it's always fun. Cool beans. Excellent. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
As I said, I could not resist this grouping. Where's that carburetor? That thing's a huge carburetor.
Yeah, it's 950.
950 double pumper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. Just flush the toilet and she goes in. Ah, this is great. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 Chariots of Fire car show over here at the Classic Auto Mall in Morgantown, which is a cool place to be. Checking out this absolutely beautiful setting of an 86 Pantera GT-S and the 06 Ford GT. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.